Bye, Lynn! Pasok na kami! Bye, Ottawa!
Welcome aboard WestJet 615 at your service, making our way to the beautiful city of Vancouver. Little crew introduction, safety song and dance, and up and on our way we go. You just heard from our main man, told you all kinds of stuff, but what he didn't tell you, he's one of the absolute best in the business. We're talking about our captain, Jonathan Parker, and believe it or not, folks, we've got two of the best in the business today. Our first officer is the unbelievable Laura Moffat. Keep the good times going at row 22. You can take a look and say good morning to the incredible Lucia. And then you're going to take a look around row 10 and say hello, good day to the incredible Nancy. And finally, we'll keep it going with one of the best in the biz, the incredible Rob at row 4. Folks, my name is Evan. I'll be the MC at portions of the flight, but for the majority of it, you can sit back, relax, maybe even take a little nap and wake up in Vancouver. Good morning.
Please direct your attention to the crew in the aisle who are here for your safety and will assist you throughout the flight.
Veuillez porter votre attention sur l'équipage dans la ligne, qui est là pour votre sécurité et qui vous assistera tout au long du vol.
A safety features card is located at your seat. Follow along as we cover some important information.
Vous trouverez devant vous une carte des mesures de sécurité. Veuillez en suivre avec vous les points importants.
In preparation for departure, please ensure your seatbelt is fastened, your tray table and tablet holder are stowed, and your seat back is in the upright and locked position.
En préparation du décollage, veuillez boucler votre ceinture, relever votre tablette, ranger votre support pour appareil et redresser votre siège en position verrouillée.
Carry-on baggage must be stowed for taxi, takeoff, landing, and in-flight turbulence.
Les bagages de cabine doivent être rangés durant la circulation au sol, le décollage, l'atterrissage et les turbulences.
Use care when removing baggage from the overhead bin to prevent injury to yourself and others.
Afin d'éviter de vous blesser et de blesser d'autres invités, faites attention lorsque vous récupérez vos bagages dans les compartiments supérieurs.
If your portable electronic device becomes damaged, overheats, or gets stuck in your seat, notify a cabin crew member immediately.
Si votre appareil électronique se brise, surchauffe ou reste coincé dans votre siège, avertissez immédiatement un membre de l'équipage le plus près ainsi que les sorties alternatives qui peuvent être derrière vous.
If an evacuation is required, leave all personal belongings behind and follow the floor lighting to the nearest exit.
En cas d'évacuation, laissez vos articles personnels à bord et suivez l'éclairage de plancher vers la sortie la plus près.
If the cabin pressure changes and emergency oxygen is required, a mask will drop from the panel above you.
En cas de changement de pression dans la cabine et de besoin urgent en oxygène, le panneau situé au-dessus de vous s'ouvrira et des masques à oxygène en sortiront.
Pull the mask towards you to start the flow of oxygen.
Tirez le masque vers vous et l'oxygène se libérera automatiquement.
Place the mask over your nose and mouth.
Placez le masque sur votre nez et votre bouche.
Secure the strap behind your head.
Passez la bande élastique derrière votre tête.
Tighten the straps and breathe normally.
Tirez sur les deux extrémités de la bande élastique pour l'ajuster et respirer normalement.
Secure your mask before helping others.
Mettez votre masque en premier avant d'aider les autres.
The plastic bag may not inflate, but oxygen is still flowing.
Le sac en plastique ne se gonfle peut-être pas, mais l'oxygène.
Una kani ah. Saan tayo dito? Dito? I think dito. Ano oras ang next natin? Mag-washroom siguro muna tayo.
Basically towards the end when the kids
Lagid sa taas. Ay, hindi man tayo pala magkuha.
Magkuha, diba?
Ha?
Magkuha, diba?
Hindi man, Manila man.
Diba't may sticker sa mo?
Kaya sa Manila, konti ka basahin natin ulit to make sure. Dapat mag-washroom muna. Ihi na ako. Dito wala. Mayroon yan dito. Wow, ang ganda ni oh, halika. Wow. Look at that. Wow. It's raining day. Raining in Vancouver. Nagtala sa Ottawa, so hot. Wow, big rain. Magpano muna nga ako. Wow, so big rain. Air Canada. It's the big rain just finished. Rain, 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 rain. Ay, dito. Saan tayo?